How's it going, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out the channel. You're watching 412 PSE Kustomz here on YouTube. So I'm doing this video somewhat at a request. I'm up here in Ohio at one of our loyal customers, Marucci and Gaffney Excavating, doing some non-light related installations. Put in 2 inverters and a backup camera for the guys. So I'm going to flip the camera around and just show you, give you an idea of what we did here. First things first is you'll see the inverter down here on the transmission tunnel. You'll notice our neon green woven nylon loom. Of course, it's what we use on all our jobs, kind of a signature. Here's the other side. And then for the backup camera, we chose kind of a odd location. All the wiring runs down the A-pillar, of course, away from the airbags. Down here, everything is completely hidden away. The backup camera, power is triggered by ignition. As you'll see, the light will come on. And this 2020 F250. There she is. All right, so let's put her in reverse and see what we got. There you go. There's our zone defense. This is the 7-inch tough monitor, window mounted. As you can see, wires all tucked away. It was a great location for this customer. Then I'll show you the, as you can tell, these have sound on them. Very nice units. And of course, the extended warranty for these guys, as we always do. Let's go take a look around back. And there is our backup camera. Alright guys, bear with me. We didn't do these lights. This was a hurry up truck whenever our contact here, the shop manager, was out on back surgery recovery. So I want to show you these goofy lights that they put together, because I know you're going to ask about them. Alright guys, there's the front grills. Dual color Echo, amber green. Looks like a buyer's mini bar. Yeah, so there you have it. Shop manager is going to use this truck as an example as to why they should not have their laborers upfit their trucks, because these are going to fail here soon. This is a 2020 diesel F350, and There will be another upfit soon to come with our lights and our system and our functionality. Alright guys, hope you appreciate the video. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, man, if you like these videos and want to see more of them. Till next time guys, be safe and stay healthy out there.